Hi Tigers, this is Coach Bogert, and I just wanted to send out a quick video tutorial on how to get to our Google Meet. I know that due to our schedule, 8th graders are not really scheduled to meet with PE or with A-Day teachers. However, I would really like to meet with you guys on Friday. I would like to meet with first hour at 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday and sixth hour at 1:30. I'd really like to just be able to touch base with you guys, check in, make sure you're doing okay on your first week's assignments, and just see all of your faces. Again, I'm going to schedule that meeting for you guys on Friday. So I want to make sure that you can get there. So what you'll do is you will come to your Schoology course and find Bogert 8th grade PE. You'll click on that. It'll open up our PE page. There's going to be a lot of stuff on here, but what you are going to need for Friday is to click on the basketball goal where it says click for Google Meet. So you'll click on that and it will give you our normal schedule. Normally we'll meet on Mondays, whichever hour you're in and whichever time. You will need the nickname to enter the Google Meet, so you'll either want to remember it or copy it to get into the Meet. It says click on the picture below, click on join or start a meeting, type in our class nickname and click on continue. For this purpose, I'm just going to say that I'm in first hour, so I'm going to use that nickname, so Bogert 81. That stands for Bogert 8th grade first hour. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that because I have a hard time remembering all the different nicknames. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to Control C. I'm going to click on the picture. I'm going to click on join or start a meeting. I'm going to Control V, so I'm going to copy that nickname in there, or if you want to type it, you can do that. You'll hit continue, and you will be ready to join our Google Meet. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Again, please remember that I would like to meet with first hour PE on Friday at 1 and sixth hour PE on Friday at 1:30. All right, hope to see you then. Bye.